Welcome back to Bodycam, brought to you by Ride Along Podcast. Our guest today, Jamie Worley, former police officer. We're here to check out some Bodycam footage. Never viewed it before. Coming straight from our editing team. Let's check it out.
See what happens.
Sister, we're trying to get further.
Okay, he's cruising.
Device near the nice involved. We're still trying to get further. Units, be advised, it looks like the mother has stabbed her sister. We're trying to get further. We don't know where she's at.
Okay, stabbing.
Mother stabbed her sister.
So what do we know right now? There's at least 3 people involved because they said a mother stabbed a sister. So we're assuming there's children in there. That's what I'm assuming.
Yeah, I mean,
You just got to the residence, the door's open.
yeah.
If you ever get to a call and you have an open front door, some shit's going on, bro.
Every
Right?
time.
Every time.
Every time.
Okay, help. Okay, I hate this. Why the hell are you so far away? The other patrol unit's already there. Why are you making yourself have to run 30, 40 meters into the area where there's a woman yelling for help?
Now, when I was an officer, it was protocol to park not directly in front, but a little ways down.
Yeah, like
but,
to a
but
domestic.
Not too far.
If you're going to creep and sneak and creep. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, we're not doing recon now. We got someone in the front yard yelling, help, help, help.
Yeah.
And you know there's a stabbing.
And you've
Also,
got a 50-yard sprint to get there.
And I hate to rag on my dispatchers because, I love y'all. But dispatch never said medic en route. So is anyone going to notify that we have medical en route, right?
Yeah, I didn't hear that either.
So he's doing a 100-yard dash.
He got his firearm out.
So he just wasted a lot of energy to get there. They're not talking to each other, though.
Nope.
They're using hand signals but not communicating. They did not enter that room.
They did not clear that room.
This room is not clear. Okay, they're talking now. This room has not been cleared though.
No, it isn't.
No! Let's go back.
Okay. So we have female in the bathtub. She's been stabbed.
Stabbed in.
It's pretty graphic because they had to blur it out. So that's bad.
Dispatch 2706.
But that room, they never cleared that room. That's bad.
Got a child with a stab wound in the chest. They need medical priority 1.
I'm clear, stand to the chest.
Wake up, baby.
So he's in resuscitation.
I could get DB on the line as well if you can, please.
This is I've been here before, man, and
Yeah.
it's never good. He didn't say if she had a heartbeat. He's not reading her vitals. She did move though.
I just saw her move, yeah.
He should have been reading out. She has vitals. She has. I feel heartbeat. He could have communicated a little bit better, but
Breathe more, baby. Come on. You alright?
Those are the worst calls.
Clear, baby's ready to cry.
they got the baby back, put him in a recovery position. Baby's crying. That's
I'm gonna
good.
check the bleeding
Yeah.
from the injury. It's below the throat. Come on. She's moaning. Keep coming, priority 1.
They're coming. Priority 1.
So
He is communicating the baby's welfare.
finally, the medics are en route.
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that
Priority
over the
1.
radio. It just came over.
They should have been en route a long time
a
ago.
long time ago, yeah.
The cop should have said, and maybe because they're waiting to say the scene has been clear, because medics
For their
aren't-
safety.
For their safety.
Yeah, it
but
could be.
that should have been immediately. As soon as there's a stabbing, go ahead and get medics en route. I'll notify when the scene's clear.
Yeah, they can
Boom.
wait outside till it's clear.
And he should not have done. I'm sorry, man. I hate to Monday morning cornerback, but that 100-yard dash, dude, that's like 7, 8, 10 seconds. That could be someone's life.
It elevates your adrenaline.
Yeah, it makes you more likely to shoot.
And you're amped up when
Yeah.
you're there. It's
You don't have to park that
again,
far
it's
away.
easy to criticize, but these are just basic things. Like we've talked about this before. These are basic things you've got to do every single time.
You have to do it every time. A guy would have drove in my freaking SUV all the way up to the steps and went sideways in the freaking yard, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't understand.
Well, it's all about your safety first.
Yeah.
That sounds selfish, but look, if the officer is not safe, the officer can't help.
Yeah.
It's like on an airplane. The masks drop and they tell you as a parent, you put it on first so that you can help your child.
That's right.
And, you just don't see that.
You en route.
There you go, girl. Good girl, yeah. Keep breathing, honey.
2.
That's
I
a
got
good
1.
sign.
Actively bleeding again. She's still crying.
Wow.
You advise it's just under the neck.
It's going to be at the bottom of the throat.
Oof. So again, hard to watch. I know
Yeah.
you've been on these calls.
Yeah.
I've been on these calls. I did a lot of juvenile sex crimes as well, and you know, it's
Yeah.
the one with the kids involved, traffic accidents with children,
Oh man.
sex crimes, and violence. Right?
Absolutely.
It's horrible.
It is. Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to do it.
Well, good on these guys. Looked like they saved a life that day.
Yeah.
Not trying to criticize.
No.
At the end of the day, they did a great job,
They did.
but there are a couple of things I think they could have changed.
Yeah. Well,
So.
this is how we learn.
Exactly. Watching
how we get
videos.
better.
That's how we get better. Thanks for watching the Body Cam. Check us out next time.